put out anything today? Nothing? Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yep. Hope your five senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. What? Okay, Jay Sox. You need to step your game up with your docking station because according to Tweaktown, they're saying that Sabrent's new USB-C universal docking station is the ultimate docking station. Well, Tweaktown is kind of wrong on that because New Q docking station was the first to have a docking station with a micro SD card port, and you can use you had two micro SD card port and two SD card ports. So Sabrent is kind of late to the party, but they tried though. But New Q was the first one, and I wanted Valve to come out with an update for this docking station for weeks because since I got two micro SD card port, two SD card ports here, and I got the adapter. That means I can take two terabyte two terabyte micro SD cards and put them here, and then have another one in the Steam Deck. I've been trying to get an update for this docking station for weeks. But anyway, listen to this. It says here, Sabrent's new USB-C universal docking station is the ultimate docking station. Sabrent's new USB-C universal docking station has it all for your laptop. AI laptop, Ultrabook, Chromebook, MacBook, iPad, tablet, and smartphones. It says here, Sabrent's new USB-C docking station has been announced with the new Do Everything USB-C docking station ready to provide you with every port manageable for about every device manageable. Check it out. And then let's see here. It has a USB-A, two of them, 5 gigabytes per second. A UHISD / micro SD card slot. Okay. Has a headphone jack. Has a 10 gigabyte per second USB-C port. But then it has a headphone jack, two USB 2.0 ports, power jack, USB-C 10 gigabytes per second port, Ethernet port, USB-C 10 gigabytes port again, HDMI port, two of them for like doing two monitors, and a display port, two of them. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description box with this article. It says the new dock truly has it all, offering dual HDMI ports, dual display ports, 1 gigabyte Ethernet port, dual USB-C 10 gigabytes ports, dual USB 2.0 ports, and a headphone jack. And that's just on the back. On the front of Sabrent's USB-C universal docking station, we've got two USB-A 5 gigabytes per second port, UHSID micro SD card slot, another headphone / mic jack, and a single USB-C 10 gigabytes per second port. That's a lot of connectivity, folks. The external power adapter lets you power with the device, charging up to 80 watts, while there are some front-facing LEDs for extra clarity, adds Sabrent's. And then it says, if you got a laptop, for example, you might want some more display connections to it with the Sabrent USB-C docking station, providing dual HDMI 2.0s and dual display port 1.0. This means you can do DisplayPort plus DisplayPort plus HDMI plus DisplayPort, and HDMI plus HDMI dual output of up to 4K 60 Hertz. Oh yeah, that's a bad docking station. Better yet, Sabrent adds that the USB-C port on the near of the USB-C universal docking station can also put a display in tandem with the rightmost display port / HDMI port for extra flexibility. And then they say SD card readers are super important for content creators, especially if they're on the go or even need this on their desk because their laptop doesn't have an SD card reader. Sabrent uses a dual purpose micros SD / SD card reader with USH-I up to 104 megabytes per second and supports and not one, not two, but 3.5 millimeter audio ports for audio out, microphone in and out. Woo! Yeah, this thing is packing. It says here, networking is another important factor for any docking station with the new Sabrent USB-C universal docking station featuring an RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, 1 GBE with network speeds of up to 1000 megabytes per second. Most people don't have 2.5 gigabyte GBE or 5 GBE, let alone the blistering 10 GBE network setup at home. So a 1 GBE port here's one GBE port here works wonderful. Yeah, it says here Sabrent's new USB-C universal docking station also packs a myriad of USB-C connectivity with two USB-A 5 gigabytes per second port on the front of the docking station and then a 2 times USB-A 480 gigabytes per second port on the back of the countless USB-based accessories. The company includes a 120 watt power adapter and a 7 centimeter USB-C to USB-C cable in the box for USB-C universal docking station. While the sleek design has a convenient cradle and LED status lights for maximum usability, you can buy Sabrent's USB-C docking station right now on Amazon for $289. Yeah, JSOX, step your game up in 2024. Yeah, you guys got to respond to this. Anyway, so yeah, Sabrent came out in 2024 swinging with this docking station, and it looks like you can you can put the Steam Deck in on this thing. So yeah, it's back in $289. Yeah, worth it. Step your game up, gamers. Yeah, there's six galleries. You know, on TwigTime they give you 6 photos of it. So yeah. So this docking station is packing some nice features. 200 what was the price again? Let's see here. What was the price if I can get this here? $289 worth. Oh yeah. So yeah, step your game up, folks. Oh yeah. Yeah, keep up with the demand of video games, of course. Yeah, this docking station is gonna come in handy. You can put 2. You can do dual monitors. Actually 3. By the looks of this. Let's see. Let me see what the photos are looking like here. Take this down a notch. And take this down a notch. Got six photos here. One photo showing a laptop connected to 2 monitors. And let's see here. Another photo shows a docking station, 1 of 6, and then 2 of 6. Get fastest network. RJ45 Ethernet 1 GBE with network speeds of up to 1000 gigabytes per second. You got 3 monitors here at 4K 60 Hz. Yeah. and you have the SD card readers of up to 104 megabytes per second. Then 506 shows all the ports on the docking station, and then 6 shows the docking station using a USB 3.0 at 5 gigabytes per second, and USB 2.0 at 480 megabytes per second. So yeah, Sabrent came out in 2024 swinging. So Ivoler, J-Sox, step your game up. Step your game up, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, these docking stations are getting better and better, you know. Save you some it helps you save some money, you know, for as connectivity goes, you know. Yeah, it will be like you have 3 monitors, like on a PC, like on a regular desktop. If you had put like 2 graphics cards in the same desktop, you can connect like 2 you can have like connect, let's say 3 graphics card, or however many you put, you can connect like 4 monitors to 1 desktop. So J-Sox is trying to do the same. I mean, not J-Sox, but Sabrent is trying to do the same thing with the with their docking station. So yeah, 4K at 60 hertz. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, they stepped their game up big time. You know, I guess they were sitting there like, okay, what kind of features can we add to this docking station? Brainstorming. They brought it together for $289 worth. So yeah, you can get this at Amazon. Let's see if they got a link. Well, let's see. Do they have a link? Do they have a link? No, they don't. So yeah, the new docking station is on the market. So if you have the money, give it a go. If you don't, you gotta save for it. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this video for y'all to enjoy. Nice talking to you people. Me and Chris, the Star Wars and Star Trek thing for Dark Side.